Yo, what it is, guys? What's going on? Hope y'all doing all right, cause I am doing fine, I guess. I kind of been sucking at being a vlogger. I haven't really been vlogging a lot. I've actually been working a lot. Yeah, being an adult sucks. Yeah. All right, well, I just got something new in the mail today. Woo! So today I got the K&N air filter. I noticed that my car's been smelling a little mildewishy, because I haven't really changed my air filter in a long time. Supposedly you're supposed to change it every year, but yo, it's been a good 3, maybe 4 years since I've changed mine. So for 3 years, I haven't really gotten to touch my car. And so this last year, I've been doing a lot of stuff. Yeah! So the other day I was at Walmart and they didn't have my air filter. But as an alternative, I saw K&N air filters and they were like a little bit more than double the price. And I'm like, I was wondering, why does it cost so much, So I looked it up on Amazon and I found this part for my car and it had like 11 reviews and they're all pretty good reviews. Check them out. So this is the K&N air filter. It's got 11 reviews. Haha. Check this out. Fits loose but works fine to me. Awesome. Bought it because I needed a new filter for an extra $25. I think it's worth it. Easily gets better performance on the top end. What does he mean by that? Does it feel like I got 100 more horsepower? It'll last you longer than regular filters due to being able to clean it. It was for my 99 Prelude and it fit perfectly. And you can really feel the difference from a regular stock one. Ooh, okay. Well, judging by these reviews, see, these are posted different years, 2013, 2018, 19, 14, 17. So these are pretty much legitimate reviews in my opinion. I just want to give an aftermarket part a shot because supposedly it's supposed to be better because it's washable, reusable. Supposedly the OEM filter you're supposed to change every year or 15,000 miles. This you change every 50,000 miles. Well, anyways, let's go ahead and do this unboxing real quick. Oh shoot, I didn't think it'd come in the... Wow, that thing's already unboxed. Ooh, look at that. Feels nice and sturdy and flimsy, if that makes sense. Let's smell it. It doesn't really have a smell to it. But yo, let's go and put this in the lid. Yeah. All right, so this is where the air filter is going to be going. It's going to be a really simple install. I just got to undo this and drop this in there. Yeah. Not bad. Oh, dang. Check that out. That's nasty, yo. Bottom. Top. Ugh. So here's the old one and this is the new one. You can already tell this is much more lightweight. It's low profile, just like how we like our cars. And this is just old and bulky. So yeah, let's go and get this in, yo. And that was it. That was probably the most simplest install ever. I didn't even need to use a screwdriver. It was just click, 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 click. Pull out the intake cover, put in the air filter, put it back in, done. So let's go ahead and give it a test drive and see how this feels. I hope I feel like a huge, massive gain of power now. All right, let's go. Yeah. Well, it sounds normal so far. I feel an increase in power. It feels so much more responsive. The engine feels a lot smoother. I could definitely feel it breathing more better. I can already tell that I'm gonna be getting a lot of mileage off of this. I should have brought my wallet, yo, because I could go down the street and get something real quick. So pretty much, I wanted to go with this K&N air filter because one, it's reusable. You can wash it and it'll last a lot longer. 2, there's a lot of good reviews. 3, I kind of want something aftermarket that is designed to work better than OEM. And 4, I guess there's supposed to be like a performance increase. Maybe this is gonna help me get better airflow. Probably have a little bit better mileage. Maybe not if I'm getting more airflow, probably more power. Alright, so I just did a quick lap around my neighborhood. I guess there isn't much of a noticeable difference. It's probably too soon to say because I've only driven it about a mile. Maybe I just gotta drive around a little bit more. I could probably feel a difference. I can't really hear a difference because my timing belt is so freaking tight and loud. That's what all the engine noise is. It's not the alternator belt and it's not the power steering belt. The timing belt. So yeah. Okay. Well, anyways, overall, I guess I'm pretty happy that I got like an upgrade. Maybe K&N is better. Who knows? Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. Do you think K&N is a good brand for air filters? Is it worth trying out K&N, or should I just stick to OEM, Honda OEM air filters, which, you know, I can't get. Usually OEM parts are pretty expensive, and I'd usually just opt for whatever they got at Advanced Auto or AutoZone or O'Reilly's or all them other places. So yeah, video guys, thanks for checking me out. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe and support your boy, cause we trying to do big things out here. Yeah. Alright guys, see you on the next one. Later.